Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the AliExpress account of yours in the desktop. So for that, open a Google browser or any other browser that you have been using. Then click open a new tab on that browser. On the search bar, you type in aliexpress.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page, and on the official web page you need to click on login over here at the right side and then click on sign in. For the signing in you need to provide your email address and password. If you have linked your account with Facebook, Google, Twitter, Apple or the others over here, you can easily log in with just one click, but here we're going to go with the email process. So type in the email address. Then below type in the password and click on sign in. And this will get you signed in into the AliExpress account of yours right away. You can see here account details over here. You need to make sure that you input the correct account details. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.